Hello, my friends. Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life. And guess what? It's time for another 30-second card in 5 minutes. I think last time, though, wasn't it really good, Kenny? Wasn't it like 4 minutes and something? Kind of think it was. But I actually have been invited to go to my nephew's school this Friday. I'm considered their special friend. Well, yeah. Okay, but that's going to be exciting. And I was thinking I should make a card for their teacher saying, well, actually, I don't know which kid I'm going to. I think Ben chose me. I think Carter chose Ken, but Ken's going to be traveling. So I think Ben gets me to go. So it's going to be for Ben's teacher, a little thank you card. And I thought that'd be kind of fun just to say, hey, thank you. You know, I mean, like, whoo, poor thing having all these people in her classroom. So I just grabbed a couple of different colors, and of course, you know, I just finished my kit club, so I have some leftover colors there. But of course, you know, I had to grab my pink because, you know, you gotta have pink. And she's a girl. The teacher's a girl, so hello. And then I just grabbed this random paper pad. I don't even know what the name of it is because I tore off the lid, the cover. So, but it has a lot of fun colors that you know I love. So we're going to use that too. And I also grabbed this die set because I asked Ken literally 2 days ago if this was on our website. It's our Circle Flip It card. And yes, it is on the website, so you could get it if you don't have it. But I needed this die set. So I got to make sure I get this one home with me today. And so I said, I grabbed it, and I said I would use it. So Kenneth, and you know what? I saw this the stamp set over here that has a lot of thank you stamps. So I'm going to open it now, and I'm going to use this die set, this stamp set, if I have a hankering. Hankering? I don't know, whatever. Okay, so let me think for half a second. Okay, Kenneth, are you ready? He's sitting on the floor. Are you ready to start the time in just a second? He shook his head yes. On your marks. Get set. Go! Start. Okay, so of course you know I grab guava. I always grab guava first. I don't know, it's just like, it's kind of like in my blood. Pink is in my blood. Well, really red is, but that was funny. Okay, so we're going to give it a push. Come on, baby. We're going to give it a push, and I think I might be off a little bit right there, but I don't know. Okay, so we got that, we got that, we got that. Now, I want to get, I'm telling you, this paper is like the bestest in the world. So we're going to use that, and we're going to, flip it cards are so dang easy, it's almost like cheating. I almost feel like it's cheating because they're so dang fast. So we're going to run those through. Oh, run those through. Oh, and I found some pink ribbon to match already. Look at that. Whoa! Oh, and I found some bling. Okay, so get that out of the way. Get this out of the way. Okay, add these. Where's my adhesive? There it is. And never do what I'm doing. Don't do it out here. Do it over here. Okay, so add this one right there. And we're going to add this adhesive over here. Oh, I need my machine still. We're going to add that one right there. And then we need to die cut the words thank you. But we want adhesive sheets on the back. What color are we going to do? What color? Ooh, let's do yellow. So we're going to peel this up. And we're going to lay this down. Now, normally I would trim this all down, but we don't have time. So right there's my adhesive. Right there's my adhesive. Right there's my adhesive. Lay that down. Lay that down right in the inside. Get a smaller cutting pad. Give that a little push. Oh, come on. Don't get crooked. Don't get crooked on me. Come on, I can't have it crooked. Okay, don't freak me out here. Okay, give it a push. There we go. Ooh. Run it through. There we go. Now it has adhesive on the back, so I just saved myself a step. But I need a different color on the back of this also, and I need to find that blue. Hang on, wait for it. There's a blue. Wait for it. That blue. I want that blue. I'm going to do just the circle this time. Oh, but we really need two, so watch this. Look at that. Now I'm going to have two. Ha ha. Ha 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 ha. Okay, lay that down. Run all of those through. Come on, baby. This machine, you got to give it a push because it's brand new. Oh, there we go. Okay. It still hasn't learned its lesson. Okay, so now what we have is there's my two. We are going to peel this up. So we're going to peel off the adhesive. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so glad I can't see the time because it would like freak me out. Okay, so we're going to peel this up. And look, I love how the ickies like pretty much go with it. Okay, and we're gonna lay that down right there. See, that's why I cut that extra blue. And we are going to fold it. Big bottom, little top, fold in half towards you. Take the top flap, fold it up, turn it to the left. Little side's always on the left. And we're gonna add some adhesive to that. And we're gonna add that right there. Thank you. Now we have this little piece on the inside. Ken, get ready because I'm almost done. And we're going to do thank you so much. Does that thank you? Oh, I love that that thank you fits on there. That's a nice thing about clear stamps is you can lay them on top first before you decide if you, and I can't even find a block. So we use a cutting pad. Look at that. Dun, 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 dun. And we're gonna ink that up. First time I've used this one because I literally just pulled it off the shelf, but we're gonna stamp it anyway. Right there for the first time. Look at that, not bad. Add some adhesive. Kenneth, you better be ready. I'm so help me. You better be getting ready. Okay, we're gonna lay that right there. Thank you so much. Now we just need some ribbon to finish this baby off. And look how cute. I am so awesome. Okay, get this. Trim that. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. She's gonna love me. Okay, she's gonna want me to teach a card making class to all the students. I'll say no, but. Okay, so we're gonna trim this. Kenneth, I'm almost ready. Oh my gosh, really, I'm almost ready now. And we're gonna trim here, trim here. Stop, 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 stop. Did you stop? Yep. Okay, he's like down the street. I don't know where he went. No, I just heard you just click it. Oh, that was the second one he said. Well, then only look at the first one is the real one then. No, we're not averaging them. Okay, so look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, thank you. Thank you so much. And then I can write my little message if I want. How easy peasy. Now, if I wanted to get special even better, I could add some cute little embellishments over here. So we could add, ooh, let's do this. So we're gonna add pink. Whoops, another pink. Pink, and then add a blue. But we're not gonna count. He's not watching. Okay, so what is the time? Shut up, is that real? Is that a record? Somebody's gotta go look and watch all the 30-second videos and tell me what their times were. Because I think I just beat the record. That was awesome. Dude, you gotta take me to dinner tonight. That's so cool. He just shook his head no. I think I'm going to In-N-Out for dinner tonight. Protein burger. Okay, my total was 4 minutes and 14 seconds. Yes! Somebody's got to go look it up and see if that's my best record. Because I think it might be. I really do. That is awesome. That just made my day, seriously. Because it was been a little crazy of a day. So, look at that! Thank you so much. In 4 minutes and 14 seconds. And it's a flip it card, so it's even more exciting. And I stamped on this one, Ken! Awesome. Thank you so much for joining me for another 30-second in 4 minutes and 14 seconds. I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.
So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes. Because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, baby. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. Girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways, but what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, 'cause you look good, and there will never be connection without repeated actions, but wish we could have it like that, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if you never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could have it like that, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the